All right, I put it up about 10 seconds ago. Sunflowers, suet on the ends, thistle, and great sticks for them to land on. They love the stick. The more gnarly it is, the more they love it. Then I put it up empty because I was going to wait for Lisa to get home. And they started going to it immediately, even though it was empty. So I had to put seeds in it. I wish Lisa was here to see this right now. I know, little guy. It's upper 30s. Well, maybe it's only 35. So hopefully the bear won't come and tear the whole thing down. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Maybe I'll get some more birds. Oh, everybody's going nuts. George is here. Everybody's going bananas. They're ecstatic. They know what a bird feeder is. Blue Jay just came and he got some of the seeds, sunflower seeds that fell on the deck when I was filling up the bird feeder. Junco, chickadees. Had a woodpecker already. He came almost right away. There's a titmouse. And they're going nuts. I think they like those sticks. The more gnarly they are, the more they like them. They feel at home. Those are pretty gnarly. I don't know how I'm going to store this in the house at night. Here we go. Flicker. Lisa!
Yeah.
Wash your hands and come here quick. Wash your hands and come here quick. Okay? Wash your hands and come here quick.
Washing my hands.
I did a Bernie.